Welcome. In front of me is a Galaxy S10 Plus clone, and I'll show you how to change the language on this device. So we'll start off by opening up settings right here and tap on it, and then go into language and input. And from here on the top you have languages, and by default it will be on English, so you can just tap on it, and then you have the entire list of languages, and I just tapped one by mistake. Oh my god, and again. So yeah, from here you can choose whichever language you like, and once you find one that suits you, you can just tap on it to accept it. So let's tap on Greek, and as you can see, everything changes the language. And you can do that again by just tap on changing the language to whatever one you like. It just every time you select it, it automatically changes. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.